My name is Sarah Jones. I'm the Programme Director for the Accounting and Finance programmes here in the School of Management, and I'm also Deputy Head of Department for the Accounting and Finance Department. Swansea University offers 3 accounting and finance programmes: the BSc in Accounting, the BSc in Accounting and Finance, and the BSc in Finance. All 3 programmes have a common first year, so all of our students study the same units in the first year, and then following in their second and third years are allowed to specialise depending on the programme selected. Again, each of those programmes in the second year with their specialisms have a number of core units which what students have to take, and then a number of optional units that they can choose depending on their area of specialism. It also means that students can choose units perhaps outside of the accounting and finance area to make them more rounded in some of their topic areas. So they can study all the accounting options, and they can also study modules from the economics and from the business programmes as well. One of the things that's unique to the course here at Swansea University is the opportunity that students have to undertake the SAGE Professional Accounting Software course. This is a non-credit bearing course that students can take in their final year, which really prepares them for the world of work, because it's actually using and learning to use proprietary software that's used out in the working world, and it gives our students such a step up in terms of their employability when they leave the university. I would also like to comment on the number of accreditations that we have from the professional accounting bodies. We have very close links with both the ACCA and CIMA, and also with the ICAEW, and with both ACCA and CIMA we achieve maximum exemptions from their professional exams, obviously depending on the options that students study, but students taking all of the necessary options and passing those options could leave as nearly part qualified accountants. What haven't our graduates gone on to do would probably be a better way of framing that question. We have a lot of students who do go on into the accounting and finance arena, so we've got students who have gone on to become trainee auditors in the big 4 firms, and several of those have gone on to much higher positions in there. One of my personal tutees several years ago, I think he graduated in 2014, joined a general training scheme with the Associated British Ports, and within 4 years he's now the port manager. He's done incredibly well for himself. We've got students working for the National Audit Office, we've got students working for the NHS, so a whole gambit of different professions that students can go into with the accounting and finance qualifications here from Swansea University. My advice to students who are interested in coming to Swansea University to study the course is firstly to come and visit us here. I'm hoping that the courses and the quality of teaching and the quality of degree that you will receive and the education that you'll get here will help sway that decision as well. I'd also like to mention the employability figures for the programmes, with 86% of our accounting students and 92% of finance students in graduate employment. We prepare our students so well for the working world, and that is a huge selling point that we are very proud of here in Swansea.